In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can set any song as your alarm on iPhone. You can simply set any specific song as your iPhone alarm in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your clock app. You will then head into the alarm section right here. On this page, tap on this plus icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Select the option of sound. You will then head into this option of pick a song. On this page, you will see all your app music downloaded songs right here. If you don't have any song just like me, simply tap here to redeem directly to your Apple Music app. Tap on Library to select any song as your iPhone alarm. Your personal Apple alarm clock only works with songs that are saved to your phone in the iPhone Music app. Unfortunately, this means you can't set the iPhone alarm music to something from Spotify, Pandora, or other music streaming apps. To make a specific song your alarm on iPhone, use Apple Music to purchase the song or sync your iPhone with your computer to transfer the song from iTunes to the iPhone. You can also download free ringtones and make your own iPhone ringtones to use as custom alarm clock sounds. That's how easy it is to add any song as your iPhone alarm. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.